My name is Edson dos Santos. I'm the chairman and CEO of Etu Energias, which is the largest private, 100% Angolan energy company. The deal with Galp is a game changer for Etu Energias. It basically means our entry not just into deep water, but also ultra deep water, because we joined Block 14, operated by Chevron, really solid, very good operator, and also Total in Block 32, which again operates 2 FPSOs, and we are really happy with that partnership. Those assets bring to us more than 14,000 barrels per day incremental. So that means on top of our existing production. So Etu Energias 3-4 years ago was producing 4,000 barrels per day, and through our growth, both organic and inorganic, we are now producing 26,000 barrels per day. Okay. Tremendous. Both very good companies. First of all, they are operating very profitable assets, and they bring in a component of potential. Block 14 was the first block, deep water block producing in Angola. Today still produces more than 50,000 barrels per day, but it still has potential. So they are still drilling. Recently they just completed an exploration well. So fingers crossed, we're waiting for good results there, which could prove additional or incremental reserves to our block. Similar story on Block 32, 2 FPSOs well operated by Total. Again, still very active, ongoing drilling. We have a drilling rig there, continuing to drill new wells and remaining potential. So more reserves to capture, more opportunities to grow production and our reserves base. Another really important point for us is the learning opportunity. Those companies exist for more than 50, 100 years, whereas Etu Energias only exists for 24 years. So we can learn a lot from those more mature historical operators as well. Okay. Excellent question. First one is what we control, so assets that we operate ourselves. So a big focus in increasing production on those assets. We are planning the redevelopment of Block 205. That means drilling new wells, mobilizing a rig, mobilizing a workover unit, and with that being able to increase our production in Block 205. We are also very hopeful about our onshore assets. Today we operate FSFST, very historical asset in Angola, has been online since the 1970s. But we still believe that there is incremental potential on that asset. Again, we've mobilized already a drilling rig, plan to drill wells and increase production from there. And we're always looking for a very good M&A opportunity. So any other assets that may come to market, we'll be looking for opportunities to also grow through acquisitions as well. So Etu Energias continues to be very active in Angola. We believe in Angola, we believe in the geological potential of Angola, and we expect to continue to grow. Raising finance is a huge challenge. I would say maybe even bigger than demonstrating that your asset is profitable. So especially for us as an Angolan company, having our compliance in order is really key, as well as as you just mentioned, our ESG strategy. Is our company sustainable? Are we reducing carbon emissions? So Etu Energias is doing all those 3 items, and I believe doing it very well. We recently changed all our generators from diesel to gas, natural gas, which of course pollutes a lot less than diesel does. And we started a project of installing solar panels in our own operations. Going very well. So next year, when you come back to Angola, we'll be able to say that all our energy is generated from solar panels. So that's just an example of our strategy around reducing carbon emissions. Flaring gas, we are on target to reducing our flare. And that's not just us. All our partners are also on the same strategy. Etu Energias is local content. We are a result of local content. So the focus remains. Being an Angolan company, we take it to heart. We take it as something almost personal, I would say. So we continue to enable other companies to grow. And we feel like we've been pioneers in a lot of areas as well. So this is creating space to have not one, but 10 Etus, 50 Etus. That's what we wish. Change in vision. New times, we felt like with our change in vision, we no longer wanted to be just an E&P company. All we did was produce and export crude. We want to do something different. We want to be closer to the end consumer. So we decided to become an integrated energy company. So we produce and we also go into the midstream, downstream, and renewables. So the whole chain Etu wants to be part of. This is my fourth one, and very, very happy with it. Congrats to the organizers, it's getting better and better. I mean, this one specifically has been tremendous. The opening was great, the quality of the topics and the speakers as well. So well done, and keep it up.